Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw an Among Us emergency meeting picture. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our emergency meeting, I'm going to begin by making a nice curved line right here. So I'm going to start right here on my paper. I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up and down like a sad face. Next I want to connect this, so I'm just going to draw a straight line down to connect this. Now starting in here, we want to make the hand. So I'm going to begin by drawing a little line that's just going to curve down and out. Next I'm going to curve it around and I'm going to bring it up like this. Next you want to go down and then over to make that first finger. Bring this line up and then kind of go over at an angle. Right here you want to draw a line that's going to curve over and then up. And one more right here that's going to curve over and it's going to come right back up to the hand here. I'm going to make a line that's going to go out and then come back in. One right here. One here. One right here. And another one right there for little triangles. You can also add one over here by the thumb. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes down. And then it's going to curve over to here and come back up for the button. Right here we're going to make a line that goes over. It's going to come down at an angle. Then it's going to go over to here and then up at an angle. Now starting at the thumb, I'm going to go out and then down. I'm going to bring it over and then back up like this. Next, we want to draw our Among Us character. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up and down like this. Starting here for the pack, I'm going to make a line that goes out. It's going to curve down and then come right over here towards the table. Right above here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve. This line's going to go down. And this line's also going to curl down. And this line's going to come down and connect to here. Then the last thing you can do is add the little kind of glass case box on here. I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up. Make it a little taller. We're going to go over at an angle and then down. Going to make a little line that goes over on each side. Another diagonal line. And then a line that comes down and over. And there you go. There is your Among Us emergency button. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.